right, gang. I got a little gift here that I'm super excited, super stoked to give to a friend of ours. She is one of those crafters at home that likes to do a lot of DIY things, and she actually makes her own laundry soap, her own laundry detergent, and doesn't really have a great place to keep it, and so she just kind of keeps it in this big jar thing. And I saw this and thought of her, and I think she's absolutely going to love it. And this is made by HOUSEWARES. They do come in 3 different colors. We picked up the teal to match her house, but it is simply put, a nice tin laundry detergent, nice tin laundry detergent holder, and it just looks good. It looks great. It comes with a scoop, which I absolutely love, and it is actually designed so that you can hook it on the side and not lose it, because there's nothing more annoying than dropping this in there and it getting buried. And so we absolutely adore being able to get this for a gift. So look, if you use powdered laundry detergent, or make your own powdered laundry detergent, or know someone who does, and you're looking for a great way to store it, I think you're gonna love this. Check it out. It's made by HOUSEWARES. I think you're gonna love it.